What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're at the outlet in Orange. And yeah, they got a Finishline. They got a Shoe Palace. I think they're outlets. I don't really know. Yeah, let's go see what's up, you guys. Let's see what's up with this place. All right, we're looking for deals, you guys. Looking for deals because it's supposedly an outlet, I think. I don't know, Finishline, but kind of the same stuff. But because they do have the newer stuff. They do have the infrareds. They do have the currencies. The currencies not the newest, but infrared's pretty new. But yeah, they got these on sale, you guys. $1.50. $1.50 for the Oreos. We've seen these on sale at a few places. So yeah, Finishline. If you guys want these, go ahead, hit up Finishline if you don't have time to go to the outlets. The Witness 4s. Yeah, that's the first time I've seen them on sale. So $75. That's a hell of a deal. $90 for the all black one. So that's what's up. Kind of an older model, but hey, if you guys like the Kyrie's, solid place to get the Kyrie 4s. I think these are the TB colorways though. Dang, they do got some of the new stuff. They do have the plaid PG4 plaids. They do have the what is it called? The bread. Got the bread, the Kyrie 6 breads. Also got the Enlightenments. Man, those bad boys were $100 for a second. Apparently they're back to regular price now. They also got the PG4, the black colorway, I guess. And then they also have the aqua, the Kyrie 4 aqua, was it aqua animal print? Okay, they do have the shocks, all of the shocks on sale. Okay, these are the legit ones. I really like these. Where the shocks go all the way to the front. I doubt it's gonna help you jump that high, but still look hella dope though. They got are those the Neymar ones, I think? Pretty dope. And then the all white colorway as well, man. All hella dope, all $135. Okay, that's not the hugest discount, but this is the latest one, dude. It's the latest NMD, right? I'm pretty sure, but yeah, $100 instead of $130. Oh, and that's a hell of a steal for the Ultra Boost. If you guys are fans of Ultra Boost, man, all black. Wow, that's what's up. $100, $80 off. That's what's up. That's a solid steal too. That is a hell of a steal. Holy crap. $60 off, and this is one of my favorite colorways too, like the Fruity Pebbles colorway. Hella dope price. But the night joggers, some people like the night joggers. They're not bad. I'm sure they're comfy as hell. They're 50% off here, so you're not gonna beat that at the outlets. Or not gonna beat it by much. Hella good price, you guys. Hella good price. We're just looking at the stuff that are on sale, you guys. So $100 for these. I'm not a hugest fan of that colorway. These got a slight discount. The Air Max 95s. These Air Max 95s got a slight discount as well. The Vapor Max, the Vapor Max Plus got a slight little discount. $50 off. Oh, let me know what you guys think about this one. $40 off for these. And then the 818s, man, these are $70 off. Holy crap, that's what's up. $70 off. Let me know what you guys think. That's what's up. All right, they don't have the greatest hookups in the women's section. Okay, these going for $1.15. All right, he's got a slight little discount. Normally $170, so all right, pretty cool. All white colorway with a little hit of silver. And is that a little bit of gold too? I think it's a little bit of gold. All right, not too shabby. The Niners colorway of the 720s right here. Got a little discount. Was that $55 discount? Okay. Tailwinds right here going for what, $30 off? Not too shabby. Dang, they don't have the deals that they do in the men's section. All right, man, we got to keep it moving, you guys. There's a spot across. All right, some decent deals. Let's see what's up. They got a Shoe Palace across. Let's see what's up with them too. They always seem to have a few deals and steals. So let's go see what's up with this place, man. Let's go see what's up. All right, if I remember the last time I came here, they don't have the newest releases, and they also blare the music super loud. So let's see what we can do, you guys. See what we can do. Starting off in the Jordan section, yeah, these are officially $130 at the Shoe Palace. Pretty much everywhere, dang. Crazy, denim 6s, $130 if you want them. This is a smaller size too. Yeah, it's a size 10, so not the smallest size, but hey, it's available. I always thought these sold out, but I guess not. The Black Cats, this is a size 9, so yeah, they're at Shoe Palace if you guys need them. But you know, I try to get them at the outlets, but not everybody can be that lucky, so. Fearless ones going for retail price. Ferrari's going for retail price. Yeah, I was able to caught mine at the outlet. So yeah, check out my videos if you guys want to try to get some steals. These still go for regular price too. I I'd heard Ballin' on the Budget mention that some of these were on sale at some of the retailers. I was hella surprised to hear that. Always got to check the hydros to see if any of them are on sale, man. Cause yeah, I bought a bunch of these for 20 bucks, flipped them for like $60, $70, man. I don't want to give away my secret, but hey, I'm committed to the channel, man. Okay, the Niners colorway right here, going for 100 bucks for in the women's section. Dope Air Max 98, especially if you're a Niners fan. That's dope. Air Max 200, I feel like they're on sale everywhere. 70 bucks. Yeah, this isn't a specific deal or anything, or it's not a cheap deal, but these are dope, man. What the hell? I've never seen that colorway. That's dope. $170. That's the retail price of those. I guess this is the matching color of the Vapor Max Plus. Really dope. If you want a LeBron 16, man, these have been on sale for 100 bucks at plenty of these spots, especially the Shoe Palace, man. Solid deal. Miami colorway. This is cheaper than the outlets, man. The outlets got these for $120, I believe. So yeah, if you want them, go get them. The Aqua Animal Print Kyrie 6s. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these. I don't know. I'm not the hugest fan of them. Damn, this is the colorway. This is the one I had when I was in high school, man. I kind of wish I can get them so it could be all nostalgic and shit. But yeah, $140. Not happening. $140. Not those. Got the what the Greek ones. I wish they had the other ones so we could show the other color, because both of them are different colors. The Tailwinds. I don't know what the retail is. I don't know, 160, 140. These go for 100 though. We've seen these at the other Shoe Palace go for 100. And these, man, apparently nobody likes red because 70 bucks. And this is a smaller size. It's an 8.5, so they got plenty of sizes, man. That's crazy. Crazy. $70 for some Tailwinds, man. That's a solid steal. No real steals in the Adidas section. So yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. All right, yeah, that wasn't the longest video, but I definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end of the video anyways. Yeah, it's interesting looking here because they mentioned that they're outlets, but they're kind of not outlets, but they are. But the prices are kind of the same as the other Shoe Palaces and Foot Lockers. I don't know. It's like confusing as hell. Like even when I asked the workers there last time, they were kind of confused about what the situation was. But yeah, Shoe Palace, they continue to have deals, like steals and deals, like more than anyone else. So that is where I frequent the most out of most of the regular retailers, because I mostly go to the outlets. You guys know that. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys go ahead, help your boy out, press that like button. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, turn on that notification too, because I do drop a lot of stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Damn, parking's crazy. Parking's crazy here. Fortunately, I got a good spot though. Where did they ever get a good spot right out front? That's crazy.